following interview involves commercial content. The products and services featured appear as paid advertising.
All right, my Colorado and Company friends, it's now time to tune up your finances for the new year. The Ideal Home Loans team is a business that offers lower rates with a quick turnaround. Time to get your new rate in place. In fact, you can have a lower rate on your mortgage once you apply in just 3 weeks. Your first payment won't be due until April. How awesome is that? And here with Ideal Home Loans and your mortgage solution is Brent Ivinson. He's offering a great mortgage solution and consultation for you. Nice to see you.
Good
Happy
to see you
New
too.
Year.
Yeah, Happy New Year.
Rates are below 4% again, right?
They are. And
wow.
They keep going down. This was not a dip we expected to see at all. And there's a number of factors that have really played into this, not only globally, but here with retail numbers over the holiday season. So a lot of different things that are driving this. But ultimately, what it boils down to for viewers, 30-year fixed rates back at 3.75%.
That's awesome.
Yeah, unbelievable. Not something we expected to see. And as you have holiday bills rolling in, you're dealing with kind of setting up a budget for the new year. Great way to start the new year off. Take advantage of what is at or near historic low rates once again, and save money each and every month.
So if you're paying above 4%, those are the people who should be calling.
Yeah, anybody really who's paying in the mid-4s or higher, depending on how much you owe, it absolutely makes sense for you to call, and it's something that probably is going to put money back in your pocket, and you're talking about a pretty significant amount of money as well.
But they need to act quickly, don't they?
They do. The problem when we see rates move this quickly and slide low like this as fast as they have, it's a very short-lived window of opportunity. This isn't something that goes on for a month. This is something that will last days, maybe even weeks. So for anybody out there, grab that mortgage statement. Take a look at what you're paying. If you're paying 4.5% or higher, call our office. Take advantage of where things are at, because chances are we could have you saving money in 30 days.
303-867-7000. That's the number to call, 303-867-7000. And is it true if they do it today, no payments until April?
Yeah, no payments until April. So timing works very well. As you know, we're a direct local lender. We're lending our own money. So that allows us to get things done very quickly. So we can get your loan closed, wrapped up quickly. No payment on your new loan until April. No payment until spring. So I know as all those holiday bills are rolling in right now, everybody's dealing with all that. It's a really great time to take advantage. And with rates being at the low levels they are, it really makes sense for a number of people.
Go into more detail about that. With paying off credit card statements, you can help people with that. And then also mortgage insurance.
Yeah, absolutely. We have equity to put to work now. It's such a great buying season throughout the Front Range all year long. And so you have people who, some of their houses are up 15 and 20% over what they were just 18 months ago. So take a look at putting that equity to work. You have to look at the fact that credit card debt is financed at 34%. It's a very difficult way to get ahead. If you put it into a mortgage loan, pay it off, chances are you're going to save $500 or $600. And certainly we're not advocating stretching your debt out over 30 years. We'll show you how to take a portion of what you're saving, apply it back towards your home loan, and be debt-free sooner rather than later. And if you have mortgage insurance, you now have enough equity in your home to get into a better product with a cheaper interest rate and a definite cheaper monthly payment. These two things combined could literally save you $700 or $800 in conjunction with what's going on with interest rates right now.
Oh, Lord, I want to save $700 to $800. This is Brent Ivinson from Ideal Home Loans. Call right now. You can also go onto their website, which is idealhomeloans.com, or 303-867-7000. You also offer something really cool. It's a scouting report, so people can take a look at the surrounding areas, including schools.
Absolutely. As you know, trying to go out and shop for homes, your kids don't want to get loaded up in a car and go drive around and look at 7 or 8 houses. That is not their idea of a good weekend.
Are we there yet?
Yeah,
Are we there yet?
Are we done after the first one? So this is a product that we give you free access to that'll let you search the entire metro area for your next home. And the great thing is you can search by square footage, room count, zip codes, test results on schools, anything that you need to help you out in the home buying process. As rates are down right now, call, because you will be amazed at how much your buying potential has increased simply because of interest rates.
You have the Ideal Home Loan Purchase Plan. What is that about?
We do. This is an all-encompassing roadmap to buying your next home. And the thing I would tell you in the home buying process is a little planning goes a very, very long way. And what I mean by that is we're really trying to maximize your buying potential. The name of the game is to get you as much home for as little payment as possible. There's some planning we can do as it relates to credit, as it relates to down payment, qualifying for products, income, all those things that we really can get you in the best possible position so that when you go out and write that offer, you're ready to go. But more importantly, you're getting as much home for your payment as possible.
I want to talk about writing that offer because it is a competitive market out there. So how does Ideal Home Loans really make my offer stand out above the rest?
Well, we've got a great product where we will underwrite your loan ahead of time. We'll do all the work up front. We then issue you a 3-week written closing guarantee. So when you go make an offer, you can hand the sellers a letter from our office that says we guarantee that we will close in 3 weeks. All we're missing in this transaction is an appraisal, title work, and the inspection. When we have all those things done, we can close your loan. So what's happening is our clients' offers are rising to the top simply because of the speed involved and that we can close so quickly. And you don't have to get caught up in the bidding war. And we found that our offers will get accepted sooner, even if it's not the highest price offer in the marketplace.
You also have an interest rate guarantee.
We do. You know, as we talked about, it's such a short window of opportunity to take advantage of rates when they go down. And so many people try and time the bottom. You don't have to do that. And the way this works is within 2 years of doing a home loan with us, if rates go down by 0.75% over what you locked in at and closed at, and you've made 6 payments, we'll refinance your existing home loan with no lender fees so you can take advantage of falling interest rates. So gone are the days of trying to time the bottom of the market. Call us. If it makes sense, you're saving money and you're going to be there long enough to break even, take advantage of rates right now.
Ideal Home Loans customer service is outstanding. It truly is. You also, what I think is interesting, you offer that scouting report, that interest rate guarantee program, and give me the details on the flexible term refinance.
Well, you know, we've had historical rates now off and on over the last 3 or 4 years, and you still have half of homeowners who haven't taken advantage. And what we found is a number of people were putting it off because they didn't want to start over on a new home loan, and understandably. So our flexible term refinance will let you get a new loan with the exact term that you have remaining on your current mortgage today. So if you have 12 years left, we can give you a 12-year mortgage. If you have 16 years, we can give you a 16-year mortgage. We'll let you take advantage of lower interest rates and lower payments along the way.
Good news. Thank you for taking care of our Colorado and Company viewers. Ideal Home Loans is just one phone call away or even one mouse click away. If you would first like to see what's offered, then check out their website. Go to idealhomeloans.com. You can click on the Apply Now button and start the process of saving money. Ideal Home Loans offers lower rates, so you can have your new monthly home mortgage in place sooner than later. Now is the time to turn your financial situation around for the new year. And if you would like to call and speak with one of the Ideal Home Loans professionals, well, the phone number is 303-867-7000. And just a reminder, your first payment will not be due until April, so you're saving a lot of money. Ideal Home Loans paid for this segment.